Hey man, the time is finally here, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This is probably one of my best on feeds I've ever done. Show you guys how to lace them, show you guys what pants and what jeans you can rock with these Air Jordan 4 military blues. Just stick around, stay tuned, bro. You're in for a good treat. But make sure you watch the entire video. It'd be greatly appreciated. And you might learn a couple things or two from your boy DeVintage, man. Let's get right into it. What's going on, everybody, man? Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. The voice ain't all the way back yet, but we still here to give you guys this content, man. It's Wednesday, bro, and this is a video that's long overdue. I had these shoes for like over 2 weeks now, and I feel like I should have did this review on feet over the military blues, but I got you guys in today's video, man. Before we get any further, if you are new here to the channel, you're already liking what you're seeing, man. You feeling the vibes. Positive vibes only over here, 2024 and beyond. It don't matter what year it is, bro. We pushing positivity, man. And so, like I said, you guys subscribe right now, hit notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the content that we are dropping. And make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. And hey, just know, bro, all love support never goes unnoticed, man. And if you peeped already, you already see what we got on, man. We got on that OutRank Brand tee that goes perfectly with the Air Jordan 4 military blues. OutRank Brand has people covered every single drop. If you don't know where to go to get something that goes with that particular sneaker that you did get, you always have to head over to OutRank, man. You guys know I got a discount code for you guys. All you gotta do is type in DeVintage and it'll save you 10% off your entire order. You get a nice, clean, crispy shirt like this right here that I'm telling you goes perfect with these Air Jordan 4 military blues. And I don't know if y'all seen the back yet. I'm gonna show y'all again, bro. Look at the back. Look at the back of the tee, bro. I'm telling y'all, man, OutRank went crazy with this one. Probably one of my favorites so far from OutRank Brand as far as a collection drop. And the military blues, like I said, my sneaker of the year. So you already know I had to get fresh with the OutRank Brand gear when I'm stepping out in these things. Link will be down below in the description box. Tell me your boy DeVintage sent you. So real quick, man, if you do not know what the box look like, you don't know what's gonna happen when you do pick up your pair. Hopefully, fingers crossed, you get your pair secured by now. But your box should come something like this. You have your Jumpman, you have your flight down below, and of course you have the cement on the bottom and the black lid up top, man. The official colorway reads Air Jordan 4 Retro, Off-White, and military blue. And I got these in a size 9. I know a huge question that's gonna come up about these joints is the sizing. And like I've been telling y'all, bro, I will go up a half a size in Air Jordan 4s. I don't know what's been going on with this year and last year. I feel like that regular, true to size ain't the true size when you gotta go up like a half a size. So I would recommend you guys do that. I did try on a size 9 in today's video, which is this right here, but you guys don't want to release date, bro. I need a like a 9.5. The 9 is cool, but I just feel like that 9.5 would just give you that extra bit comfort, a little bit more comfortable on feet and stuff like that. So if you want to take my recommendation, man, go up half a size. If not, hey, you do what you do, man. And another huge thing that everybody's been asking me, man, is the quality, man. And the quality isn't terrible. It isn't terrible, bro. But I do feel like sometimes when we get large releases, like an Air Jordan 11, you know, around Christmas time, more like a huge GR, like these military blues, they always kind of short you on the overall quality or the execution of the shoe. That's just my take, my personal take. But hey, I'm super grateful that we got these joints, man. I've always wanted the military blue, so the not having the softness or the softest leather on the shoe was not that bad to me. Like I was like, you know, it's all good, but it was a lot of people in the comment section of the early look that we did over these military blues, and people was salty about the quality that they threw on these military blues. And I'm gonna put a picture up on the screen, man. They did have a bunch of, you know, past Air Jordan 4 military blue releases. And if you look at the 2024 version and the OG pair that dropped in 89, I believe, they do look very, very similar compared to the military blues that came out in between this one and the first original drop for the military blue. So it's more true to that OG form, bro. You guys can see you got like a darker blue. I feel like, you know, the last military blue drop we did get, it was a little bit more vibrant, a little bit more bright, but this one went back to its roots, went back to 89, and it got a nice OG look on these military blues. And something I will also say, man, as far as the overall wear, the overall fit of the shoe is way better. Like, I definitely think that they went in the right direction with going with that same SB cut that we got with the pine greens. And we got the same Jordan 4 cut on the Brand Reimagined. And also with the Vivid Sulfur Air Jordan 4s, it's just a lot better as far as the toe box, not super boxy, and it is a lot more comfortable than the pairs we got in between, you know what I'm saying, this year and the OGs back in the 80s. Let's see if I can give you guys a quick comparison, but you guys see we have the Seafoam Air Jordan 4s. You see how, you know, tall that toe box is? The difference between these and the newer pairs of the Jordan 4s, you have more of a sloped or like a rounded toe box, and it doesn't look all boxy and stuff like that. So definitely loving the new cut on the Jordan 4s. Overall, you guys know, bruh, you got a couple shades of gray around the toe box here. And then when you do get your pair in hand, you're gonna be like, yo, this don't even look like a true white, because on the box, like I read you guys the fish colorway, this is like an off-white color. It ain't like off-white ain't sale, but it isn't like a true white that you guys see on the midsole. So the midsole, it is all white right here with that military blue hit, and on the upper you have that off-white kind of eggshellish look to the upper on this white on the military blues. And some OG's favorite part about these joints, man, is the Nike Air on the back, bro. You gotta love it. I'm super excited, super happy that they got these things out with the OG cut, the OG look, and of course we had that Nike Air on the back, man. You got your blue liner behind the Cajun of these Air Jordan 4s, and even on the tongue you have your Air Jordan logo with the flight underneath. And you guys are gonna see how I lace these joints on their own feet. You guys can see how I kind of layered and stacked my pants and jeans on them. But here goes my 2 favorite ways to lace my Air Jordan 4s. I'm gonna leave a card up here so you guys can go check out my full tutorial on how to lace your Air Jordan 4s. I got 3 dope ways that I go with every day, and I'm always getting comments on my kicks, my fits, and all that good stuff, man. So I will not lead you guys in the wrong direction. Y'all go check that video out. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. If you need some apparel, you need some clothing to go with the military blues, go check out OutRank Brand. Use my discount code DeVintage, save you 10% off your entire order. And if you're watching this video after the drop, let me know how many pairs you got, because I know it's gonna be a lot of people that's impulsive, that's getting like 3-4 pairs. I just need 1 more pair, bro. I need a 9.5, then your boy's done. So yeah, man, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell for your boy, leave a huge like on today's video. Let's get this up to 400 likes, man. I know we're gonna crush that in today's video. And with all that's been said, man, love y'all. Catch you on the next one. Enjoy the on feet, man. Let's run it.